On this episode, our ship sails into the Mediterranean, where we make port in Palma de Mallorca, one of the Balearic Islands. We do some more spelunking in the Cuevas del Drach. We see a concert on one of the largest underground lakes in the world. Then we climb the Calvari Steps in Pollensa. Our next stop is Barcelona, and we are amazed by the Sagrada Familia. We also experience the beauty of the city as we walk down La Rambla, before meeting friends who will be joining us for the remainder of the cruise. We hope you enjoy the video.
Hey there, I'm Rose.
And I'm Dan. And we are the Half-Ass Travelers. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
We are in Palma de Mallorca today in the Balearic Islands. It's a Spanish island in the middle of the Mediterranean. And we have rented a car and we're planning on doing some exploring. Now there's a little hiccup because the ship was supposed to be staying until 7 p.m. However, because of incoming bad weather, they told us this morning right before we're getting ready to leave that we have to be back by 5. So we're not gonna have as much time as we thought, but we're gonna try to fit as much into that time frame as we possibly can. So come along with us and let's have some fun. Well guys, this is our first stop in Mallorca. This is the Cuevas del Drach. We drove completely across to the east side of the island. It took us a little bit more than an hour, and now we're gonna go in the caves. We've been here before, but not for a long time.
But this time we're gonna take you with us.
That's right, so let's go and see the caves.
Come on.
we hope you enjoyed the video of the caves. We would have loved to have shown you the concert with the boats and everything, but photography is strictly forbidden, and we saw some people getting yelled at. We didn't want to be those people. So now we are headed to a town called Pollensa. We always get the pronunciations wrong, but it's the home of the, what is it, Calvari?
Calvari Steps.
The Calvari Steps, which is a Roman staircase. I think it's 365 steps up to a church. When we were here the first time, we had a fantastic meal at a restaurant at the base of those steps. So we're planning on doing both. So let's go. Well, our second cruise has come to an end in the city of Barcelona. Those of you who have been here before will definitely recognize that behind us. We decided to get off the ship for a couple of hours and take a tour of the Sagrada Familia. We're probably going to take a run by the Rambla and maybe a few other places. So we'll let you know what we can see. We don't have a lot of time, but we're going to do what we can. Again.
See you later.
but I'll do a pan. All right, everybody wave.
Hey! So half-assed.
Yeah!
Up a little.
You're the
There you go.
man!